If Microsoft Edge is showing error 15, that usually means the website is blocking your access because of a connection, privacy, or security issue on your device. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can help you get back into the site fast. We'll go through the most common steps one by one, and the good news is you do not need any advanced technical skills to follow along. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. The first thing to do is turn off your VPN. A VPN can sometimes trigger security checks on websites, especially if the site thinks your traffic is coming from a suspicious location or network. So if you have a VPN app running, disconnect it completely. If your browser has a built-in VPN or security extension, disable that too. Once it is turned off, refresh the page and try the website again. In many cases, that alone can fix the error. If the site still is not opening, the next thing to check is your date and time. A wrong date or time on your computer can cause browser security problems and prevent websites from loading properly. To fix this, go to your computer settings and make sure the date, time, and time zone are all correct. On Windows, you can usually turn on automatic time settings so the system stays accurate. After correcting it, restart Microsoft Edge and try the website again. If you are still seeing error 15, the next step is to open the site in a private window. Private browsing can help if the issue is related to cookies, cache, or a bad session stored in your regular browser window. To do that in Microsoft Edge, click the menu in the top right corner and choose InPrivate window, or use the shortcut Control, Shift, and N. Then enter the website address again and see if it loads. If it works in private mode, that tells you the problem may be with your regular browsing data. In that case, you may want to clear your cookies and cache later. But for now, the main fixes are to disable the VPN, verify the date and time, and try the website in a private window. These three steps solve a lot of Microsoft Edge error 15 issues without needing anything complicated. If the site still does not work after that, you may want to restart your computer, update Edge, or try the website on a different network. But in most cases, these basic checks are enough to get things working again. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Microsoft Edge error 15 quickly. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.